Find the determinant of the matrix K equals to this. Let me show you the simplest way to find determinant of a matrix. K determinant will be equal to 3, 1, negative 2, 0, 2, negative 1, negative 1, negative 3, 1. Now, we are going to repeat the first and the second column. Here we are going to repeat them. Let me use another marker. This is 3, 1, negative 2, 0, 2, negative 1. Now we are going to multiply the first three diagonal elements. This is 1, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Three times 2 times 1 is 6, plus 0 times negative 3 times negative 2 is 0. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. We need to add all of this together. Then we subtract. Then we are going to multiply another diagonal. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. Then positive 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1 times 0 is 0. Then we simplify. 6 plus 0 plus 1 is 7. Minus 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 0 is 13. Then 7 minus 13 is negative 6. Negative 6 is the determinant of this matrix K.